Um, Obviously, Batta Fulkerson Law Group, we are a personal injury law firm in San Diego, California. And we're going to be starting a vlog web series. It's just kind of an inside look at who we are and what we do and what our firm is all about. I've been an attorney for, 9 years now. That's crazy. And I worked for a personal injury firm out of law school, out of my master's in business, and I was running the firm. I was doing all the marketing, hiring, and was the managing attorney of the firm for 5 years. And it was a much different model than what we have here. It was much more of an advertising, mill type, sign up as many cases as you can type of model. But it started to drain me and it started to eat my soul in the sense of, doing that kind of quality work. I wasn't able to do the work the way that I wanted to. And so after, being there for a period of time and due to other reasons as well, I very abruptly, decided it was time for a change. And we left on a Tuesday and decided what we were going to do on a Wednesday.
So it is Tuesday evening, 25th. It's been a week now since ended terms of employment, I guess would be the best way to state it now. We'll just call it the firm that I was at for 8 years. 300 clients coming with, some staying, some settling, hundreds of thousands of dollars to make sure contractually protected and interests are protected on future cases, and referrals from other attorneys that had to be tactfully and carefully gone about. Craziest week of my life. The opportunity to pave my own path and to do it the way that I want to do it, and I gotta wake up every day excited to make some really big decisions that are gonna influence my future and other people's futures as well. Gotta find office space, not doing some half-ass bullshit. Gonna find a nice big spot to find a litigation specialist, start to find, good paralegals that we can get on board and hit the ground running with this thing. Anyone who knows me, you just created a monster and you figure that out real quick for yourself, but finally excited. First time in a week.
Am I happy to be doing this vlog? No, not so much, but I am happy to participate and happy to watch this when I'm old and gray.
I've had every experience from the biggest firm in the world to the smallest in the world, medium size. I've seen firms come and go. This is a unique experience in law. We have a firm here that is totally dedicated to the client in the PI realm.
I joined Batta Fulkerson because, over the past couple of years, I worked co-counsel on, about 20 or so cases with Batta Fulkerson, and I became very good friends with Paul and Dan, and I fell in love with pretty much their entire staff. And just from working with them over the past couple of years, I started to think that maybe this would be the right fit for me, and so I went to Dan and asked him if he would take me on.
I truly believe that if you surround yourself with people that are better than you and people that have skill sets that fill in the holes of maybe your own skill sets, that's how you can build a successful organization.
My name's Taylor Gaines.
Hi, I'm Charlotte Najar.
My name is Ed Mira. I'm an attorney here at Batta Fulkerson.
Coming over here, being peaceful, in a peaceful environment, everybody happy, no, gray cloud, over you, just depressing experience. Now it's just nothing but positive, having this family environment and just everybody being happy.
The next 2 years for Batta Fulkerson, I think, were right at the beginning of our journey. 2 years ago, we probably had about 3 or 4 employees. Two years ago, now we're at about 16, 17 employees. I see us continuing to grow. I see us being the go-to law firm for all injury claims, specifically in San Diego.
Practice probably going on my 30th year now, I think. I haven't done the math recently, but it's about 30 years. What's been convened here at Batta Fulkerson is a very, very dynamic firm that is really dedicated to client results. once those clients' results translate into great results in the personal injury case, the clients get everything they ask for. We work them right through the entire litigation, from pre-litigation to filing the lawsuit to through the litigation and trial. And we're dedicated at every stage maximizing the client's claim and getting them the best result we can. Now, that has translated very well. We've been here in operation for 3 years, and we've captured most of the policies we've gone after. We've done extremely good work.
What's different about Batta Fulkerson from other law firms is the energy, the team, the community, and the way we practice law. I can't say that there's any other law firm that does things the way we do it. My law partner shows up to meetings in wearing Jordans. We have employees that wear Bulldog t-shirts. We have a dog running around our office currently. So it's not your typical law office.
Do you have Bulldogs on your socks right now?
I sure do.
Through this vlog, through this series, you're going to get to know us. You're going to get to know our team. You're going to get to know, some of the situations and the cases that we help on, some of the issues and problems that we have as personal injuries attorneys in these, really heartfelt, awful situations that people are going through.
And I'm just really excited to be getting in now and being part of that come up and that rise up.
A place like this before, I've worked at very stodgy, button down, white shoe law firms in New York and LA. I've worked at small firms that were, trying to do unique niche practices in various areas. But this has been the best place that I've ever worked in terms of cordiality, team spirit, respect for your colleagues. And look, one of the great things about this firm is that we've got a lot of young lawyers that come in, and I'm able to train them up. They're some of the most talented people I've ever seen in the field, and I'm very happy to be able to do that. That's what makes the Batta Fulkerson experience unique, both in terms of me being a senior lawyer and me experience what the clients see, which is a very dynamic, very dedicated practice of law.
You're also going to see our progression. You're going to see, some of the fun marketing stuff that we get to do. You're going to see us, outgrow this office space that we've only been in for a year and have to transition. So this is my goal for 2019, is to start documenting. One, so, you can give everyone an idea of how we're different and why we are not like any other personal injury firm that you've ever been around or met with or heard about. And two, so we can document it for our lives, because this has been the best thing I've been a part of in my life, and I'm as happy now as I've ever been in my life, and I just want to be able to look back on it and remember the times, remember what we went through, remember the growth and everything else. So that's going to be the purpose of this web series. We're going to be filming it and launching new videos every month. We hope you guys all enjoy it. Again, it's just an inside look at who we are as people and what we're about and what we do every day.